If 75 Hard is the blueprint for grit, then Delivering Happiness by Tony Hsieh is the blueprint for happiness. This was the second book that I read on my 75 Hard. Tony was a visionary with an incredible sense of humor. He was quite literally on a lifelong quest to find out what happiness actually meant. Along the way, he kept dragging his group of friends through random businesses, eventually building a little online shoe store called Zappos into a billion-dollar empire. But Tony didn't just build a store. He revolutionized how we think about business and customer service. Back when the internet was still new, he was playing both ends of the spectrum. He was pioneering early SEO and search engine marketing, while simultaneously doubling down on the human element. By keeping a 24-hour customer service line available, tools, he proved that you can utilize cutting-edge digital tools without losing the personal touch. He created an environment where staff loved to show up, and because of that, clients loved to buy. He didn't just sell shoes, he delivered happiness. What I took to heart from Tony was how obsessed he was with culture, values, and alignment. Zappos was notoriously picky about who they hired. They tested operations, refined procedures, and protected their environment fiercely because they knew having the right people on their team changes everything. That resonated deeply with me. I want to build that kind of environment. And honestly, those are the exact type of businesses that I want to work with. I want to work with owners that care about their people, who are true to their values, and who want to have a little fun building something great. If that's your mindset, I absolutely want to be part of your team. Tony's obsession was always, how do we get better? How do we do more for our people? And that is the exact philosophy I want to bring into my website maintenance and social media packaging. Look, if you want a skeleton website with your basic forms and payment setup so you can check get online off your to-do list, awesome. I can deliver that. I'm still your girl. But business changes. The internet changes. Your clientele changes. If you just leave a static skeleton out there, now what? Tony looked at every situation and asked, how can it evolve? That's what I do for my long-term clients. I'm not just a passive host clearing support tickets. I'm here to give you professional input, brainstorm strategies, and adapt your digital space as your business grows. Nothing brings me more joy than handing over a project and hearing a client say, that is exactly what I wanted. It brings so much happiness to my soul. This is my version of delivering happiness. When you have a long-term partnership with the right person handling your digital presence, it frees you up to dream. If you wake up with a crazy creative idea that you think your clients will love, you don't have to stress about how you will build it. You just shoot it over to me. We look at the operations. We figure out how to weave it into your website and your social media. And we work together to make it a reality. You focus on the real-world magic of your business, and let's deliver happiness together. If you're interested in working together, visit my website, evesuccess.com. I'd love to chat with you.